So yesterday, I'm at my favorite fast food burger place. I'm on my way back. I got some compressors in the back of the truck. One's sold, one's inventory, and I went in. I walked inside because I've been on the road for hours, and there's facilities in there that I needed. So I got my food. I used facilities. I washed my hands. I got my food, and I'm walking out. And about the same time I'm walking out, this girl follows me out. She hollers, "Hey, is that one of those storm chaser trucks like you see in the movies and on TV?" And I looked at her and I thought she was messing with me. And she was serious. Cute little brunette girl, 30 years old. And I says, "No, those are air compressors." Now, I I can't tell you how many times it just made me smile in the last 24 hours. So I thought, you know what? I'll take a couple pictures of what's on the truck, and I pulled up some, and I decided to do some comparing. I got on the internet, and here's some stuff I found. Yeah, that's not quite the same thing in that truck. That truck doesn't look the same. There's a different view of my truck. No, that's not it. So anyway, next time somebody asks you a silly question, take a good look. They might not be being silly. And I've heard there's no stupid questions, but only stupid people. No, that's not it. I'm sorry. I don't know how she saw any resemblance to what I found for what storm chasing vehicles are. We're in central Pennsylvania. Tornadoes are a rare thing here. I don't have any clue why she thought what she thought, but anyway, it made me laugh. I thought maybe it'd make you laugh. Have a great day.